just put the ball on my hitch setup for the first time ever. It is so beautiful. And that's Max, and he wants to catch that stick. Hold on. All right, Max, hold on. Hand it to me. Here, okay. Ready?
We're gonna look at the bottom of that boat first before we go do all that.
Well,
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
that's what I'm trying to do. I mean, the problem is,
Maybe we need to do that first before we pull this one off.
Ooh, here's my new boat. My McKee Craft. Oh my God, it is also the perfect color. I couldn't really see the color before, but it's the perfect color. The fish right there's got to go, but Lucy can stay.
That fish was put on there with love.
Oh, was it?
No, I don't think
If it was put on with love, I won't let it go. Okay, cool beans. So that's what's up, guys. That's the new boat. We're going to give it a new trailer. We're going to give it a wash. We're going to give it a new motor and do other stuff that I don't even know what we're going to do to build my boat. Yay! It's the day! It'll be all right. First voyage of my boat. Alrighty. Here she goes. She's gonna be on her little home, her little trailer home. I gotta come up with a name. Sweet Peas McKee. Ooh, look at Tony's behind. Thank you, Tony. She's putting everything she got in this. How about the boat under the bridge? Is that y'all's?
that's Junior's.
Junior rock.
We got a motor off of it.
I don't understand why he took all the cables
He took all the cables to this.
off this boat.
Oh.
I'm confused. We're starting it.
We're starting it. You need water?
Well, I gotta figure out.
Gotta figure out a battery hookup first.
There she is after the pressure washing. Looking so good. Oh my goodness. Look at there. Now all she needs is a whole bunch of stuff. It's gonna be so amazing. There's my boat. My 13-foot, I think, maybe 14-foot McKee Craft. It's beautiful. I'm gonna call her the No Fishing.
I don't like it. Here, go put this.
She's looking even prettier. She got bleached today. The No Fishing. She's looking even prettier. She got bleached today. The No Fishing.